Hey everyone, Brandon here. Welcome back to another video. Every living thing has a heartbeat, and so does your business. But the real question is it strong and steady or weak and fading? Today in this video, I'm going to be giving you some simple but powerful business heartbeat checks to find out if your business is thriving or silently struggling. When I say business heartbeat, I'm not talking about profits alone. I'm talking about the rhythm, the momentum, the vital signs within your business. It's how your business breathes. We have customer activity, lead flow, revenue consistency, internal energy and culture, and how quickly you as an organization can adapt to the wider market. If your business feels sluggish, erratic, or flat, chances are you're ignoring its vital signs. So let me be honest. I had a business once that looked healthy from the outside. Did it have a social media presence? Of course. Did it have an email list? Yep, 20,000 strong. Nice branding? I'd say I'd give it a, 8 out of 10. But business beneath the surface, it was dying. Why? Because I wasn't tracking the right signals. I was growing, but I ignored slowing traffic. I brushed off customer churn. I over-relied on a single ad channel. No diversification. Then suddenly, bam, everything dropped. Revenue dipped 40% in 3 weeks, and I didn't even realize it until it was almost too late. The experience taught me, if I don't check these simple things, I'm going to have a heart attack. My business will die. So, based on that, I came up with a 5-point business heartbeat framework. And I want you to ask yourself these questions today for your business. 1. Lead pulse. Are new people finding you weekly? Are you getting new followers, inquiries, subscribers consistently? If not, your visibility might be shrinking. A healthy sign would be organic or paid leads flow in each week at a consistent rate. If it's unhealthy, you're having crickets or 1 to 2 every couple days. After that, next step would be a revenue rhythm. Is your income predictable? Month after month, day after day. Do you have recurring income or is it a guessing game at the end of the month? One-off spikes is not momentum, it's holiday. A healthy sign for this is going to be consistent baseline income and slight growth potential. If you are not outpacing inflation or outpacing market averages, you're going to have a system of unhealthy feast and famine cycles. The third thing, customer retention. Do people come back or is it just a pass-through? Are people buying again? Referring others word of mouth? A healthy sign of this is going to be repeat customers or strong referrals based on your own audience. Unhealthy is going to be high bounce rates, high churns, zero loyalty. And then the other heartbeat, next on the list. 4, team energy. Even if it's just you're a solopreneur. Are you energized or exhausted at the end of your workday? Your passion matters. If you're dreading your business, so are your customers. A healthy sign for this is going to be you or your team feeling motivated, proactive, things get done on time to what you would feel is 100%. An unhealthy scenario of this is going to be burnout, confusion, stagnation. It's going to feel like you are either back in high school or back in college doing the same thing, reading, regurgitating. The last thing for the heartbeat, 5, adaptability. So when change happens, do you evolve, pivot, make changes, or do you freeze? Let's say it's a market shift, an algorithm change, maybe an economic bump, any of those. A healthy sign of this, are you going to pivot, test, or adjust in any way? Or are you going to panic, freeze, stop what you're doing, shut down? Rate yourself 1 to 5 on each of these. If your total score is under 15, your business might be struggling more than you think. So, now that you've done your heartbeat check, let's talk a little bit about treatments. First treatment you could do is a weekly metric dashboard. Now for this, I'm talking about tracking leads, conversions, engagement, and retention. Every single week, I want you to have those KPIs in your mind at a healthy pace. Second one, your 90-day growth sprint. Focus on 2 different core areas. I'm talking leads, repeat sales, systems. Don't try to fix everything at once, but figure out what's important. Figure out where this needs to go. Number 3, ask for feedback from your customers. Talk to them. A business is a relationship between you and your audience. What almost stops them from buying? Their answers are going to be essentially your diagnostic gold. After that, rebuild one artery at a time, quote unquote artery. If you have a broken funnel, bad retention, poor energy, prioritize one and fix it before moving to the next. This isn't about a system of perfection, it's a system of momentum and consistency. If your business felt a little off lately, you're probably not alone. But you don't want to wait for a total collapse. Instead, you should check the heartbeat now so you can do a course correct of some kind, build strength, create a thriving long-term system of sustainability. Now, let me know in the comments below what your lowest scoring area from the business heartbeat check was, and what do you think you're going to do over the next week to improve it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!